Well, I think we should show the pre-chewed ones.
The pre-chewed? Don't let her know beforehand. Just give her the box.
Just give her the box. Just what?
No, it can't be this month's.
Yeah, it is.
What's wrong with it?
What's right with it?
What's up, guys and
Hey,
gals?
y'all.
It's Randy.
Paige.
And we are doing this month, which is July, Universal Gummy Box.
And look, it has a dinosaur on it.
And it's
Look.
Emerald something or another. What? The Emerald of the Equator with a dinosaur. So I'm thinking Chicago.
He's in South America, y'all. Let's see if he's right. Be careful with them scissors, Randy. We're not going to the ER tonight. They have to wait.
Indonesia. Where's that exactly?
Wow, right? Where is that? Let me see. Even they don't know.
It's over. Look. Okay, she's telling you right there. It's over there. Cassava crackers. Cassava's a plant. Cassava crackers.
Very good presentation of opening cassava crackers.
It's like pork skins. Pork skins.
They're rich in fiber, though. Black pepper, you should like that.
They're not bad. It's sort of just plain.
They're not that bad. Want to try something tasty, spicy, and crispy?
Yeah. Youpie noodles?
But we can't read the calories. Youpie noodles?
That's what it says.
It kind of looks like... Oh my God, what's that on the side? It's
On
like
the side
a
of
dip
what?
or something. Look,
What the hell is that?
like an egg.
Would anybody eat this?
What is it? It looks kind of
And
like...
it's stuck.
It looks kind of like the noodles from like the instant noodle thing, like when you put hot water in it. Could be that.
Oh no.
They don't want you to try it.
It's childproof.
Randy proof.
That smells.
It does? You're trying the egg. You're trying the egg thingy. Ew.
Oh, it's like gummy worms. It's candy.
Oh, okay. Try the egg. Is it a little chewy?
A little bit. Moving on.
Wow, but these little thingies aren't bad. That's like little sour yummy worms or whatever you get. Gummy worms. That's not too bad. Give it to LaRea.
LaRea pal.
LaRea pal.
I think the egg is stuck in my throat. Excuse me.
You took the whole thing. Pesto corn. What's pesto corn? Maybe it looks like
Okay, it's ganja pesto corn.
Ganji.
Like corn nuts, maybe.
We'll see, y'all. Could be really yummy. You never know. Those little worms were yummy. They look kind of crazy, but I don't know about the egg. Nobody knows about the egg. Do they look like corn nuts?
Well, it looks like mini corn nuts.
They are tiny, huh? That's corn nuts.
Corn nuts.
That's
Not bad.
Tastes kind of like a old foot or taco. I'm not sure.
An old foot or taco?
Something.
Where the hell you get your tacos at?
The old foot store.
Yeah. The old foot store's got to sell on tacos, and the only one that shows up is you.
It's on my back. It's a secret operation. They aren't too bad.
Vanilla. This feels like a wet diaper. Feel
And
it.
that's LaRea Pop. Layered cake.
Feels like a wet diaper.
What does it say it is?
Wet diaper.
Does it say a flavor?
Oh. It's green. I don't know. I don't got my
It
glasses.
says Badarian or something. That looks trippy.
It looks like a wet diaper.
It feels marshmallowy with the crust all falling off. Can you see that? You try, Rand, since you're the egg gulper.
Why's it all in
It
layers?
tastes salty.
It looks like a sponge you scrub
Yeah,
your
it
sink
is a
with.
sponge.
That's the worst thing I ever had in my life. Oh.
Randy, it smells coconut. It smells like
It's
coconut.
got the weirdest texture that
That's like a sponge cake, y'all. Definitely.
that's like insulation you put in your attic.
You cleaned your coconut spillage with.
You cleaned your coconut village.
Spillage.
Oh, I thought you said your coconut village. I thought, what the hell is that?
Coconut all over your counter. You got to clean it up so you use your sponge. And later you get hungry and you just eat your sponge.
Bing Bing White. Does that say white?
It says delight. No, it says
it's
white.
Bing Bing White.
Bing Bing white.
It's a racist candy bar.
Don't go there, Randy. You can't do that. Don't act like Trump all of a sudden, please.
It is white.
Evidently, it belongs in this country. And not Indonesia.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, that smells like coconut too.
That's good.
That's like the wafer cookies you get from your grandma that had coconut. We always talk about the wafer cookies you get from your grandma.
What grandma do you get from your wafer cookie?
That's pretty good. We saved
That's good. I
LaRea-
like that.
We saved LaRea some, okay? You ate it all. She's not gonna have any. Sorry, LaRea.
She has this.
The sponge that we cleaned up coconut with. Those
What?
are Deka rolls, wafer rolls. They're cocoa banana.
Deka wafer roll.
Cocoa banana.
Hey, these might be
That
good.
sounds good.
I just crunched it.
Oh, crunchy.
That's individually wrapped for your enjoyment.
Oh, wow. That's so nice of them. That is too cool. That way we don't
Oh,
have
these are
to.
those just rolled cookies.
Yeah. That way we don't have to
You
always
get those
give
shoved in the birthday
Ray
cake.
to have bit ones. Oh, look, Randy. Oh, never mind. Come with it. Ray Pop.
Oh, it's definitely banana.
That is yummy. That's really good. I think it tastes really yummy.
That artificial banana flavor tastes like something you clean your furniture with.
It is a little strong, but it tastes really good.
I don't like it.
Here, Lorraine.
Yeah, LaRea Pop. Shit, I think all we got left is a Yum bag and ain't nothing in it.
She's calling.
Hang up.
Hang up. What's that, Randy?
It's the Yum bag. What's that? It's the Yum bag. And there's only like 2 things in it.
Okay, let's check it out. Where's your scissors?
Underneath the rest of this garbage.
That LaRea Powell? Gilman, you should be here trying to direct us because we have lost our way. Uh-oh, she's calling me now. Should I answer?
No.
Okay, no. We're not answering.
I don't know. I can't see it.
It says Gulas. 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 I can't see what else it says, though. Like what kind of candy. You're trying one too?
Yeah. It's like
Looks
cough
like
drop.
a watermelon.
Watermelon's like cough drop.
I mean, root beer. What? Is it gross? Where's your puke bucket? Randy, no! That's the Ray Paul. You can't do it in the box. What flavor is that?
Ass.
I'm not gonna wait for the.
You want to put it in the box too? I don't know what that was. That's not good.
It tasted kind of funky, but I didn't suck it long enough, I guess, to find out. Don't ask me questions.
I'll tell you no lies.
Right?
Oh, I didn't show that. Okay, oops.
Show him that one.
I can't see it, so.
It looks like taffy.
Yeah, read amongst yourselves.
Here, let's intermission. Read. Don't! Oh my god! No, it smells vanilla. It smells vanilla. Like vanilla.
Vanilli like Milli Vanilli?
Girl, you know it's, yes, you know it's true. Ooh, ooh.
I don't know the song. Yeah, that tastes like the root of your plant.
No, it's cucumber.
Oh no. Oh well, I spilled the corn nuts. Alright,
Y'all
so
can't see it, but yep. We're not.
okay.
Oh no!
Well, I
She's
think
gonna
that
eat the sponge.
I think that's this month's. I think that this month's Universal Yum box,
She ate the sponge.
and
My dog's not gonna be able to poop for a year.
well, that's a good thing. Anyway, alright, ladies and gentlemen, hit that subscribe button and the like button, and you might get to see us.
Yeah.
Isn't that
We have
special?
so much fun doing this, y'all. So,
Peace. Happy July, and I'm getting back in the pool. It's hot. Bye.
love y'all.
See ya. Hey, y'all. This is the after show of July's Universal Yum Box. Randy, Paige, and Paige has something to say.
Well, Randy was gonna give this yum box to LaRea. She always likes to take home the snacks and try them later too for herself and her son Henry. So I'm not sure she's gonna like this one too much. Meaning, it's really yummy. Ever. Randy destroyed the box. And I'm not gonna say how. Other than y'all saw earlier. Him spitting in it and the corn nuts went everywhere. But hey, the lizard might eat them before they get home with her.
Lizard? What lizard?
It's a lizard. It's an iguana, I believe. In Indonesia. Hi.
Indonesia. Get
Bye,
back
y'all.
in the pool. It's hot. Well, I think we should show the pre-chewed ones. Go.
Pre-chewed. Don't let her know beforehand. Just give her the box.
Just give her the box. So,
Our director.
gentlemen, here we go.
It's upside down.
No, it's not.
It's upside down.
Yeah, it is.
And it looks like one of the packages are busted open.
What? It looks like it's busted open.
What the hell?
Okay, so we are in Indonesia. What the? You got rats or something?
What?
What?
No, this can't be this month's.
Yeah, it is.
What's wrong with it?
What's right with it?
What? What's wrong with it, LaRea?
Okay, you eat that crap. You know what? These are good. That got wafer.
And that one's wrapped individually.
Yes, but
How
the box
happy.
is still open.
You
I'm gonna eat this one,
What about in the box?
and I'll eat this one because they're still wrapped, and I'll have this one.
Oh, look. There's. Oh, wait.
Oh look, there's.
Hang on. That's not what came in.
dog
This
food.
is. There you go.
It smells lemony. Oh look, this is from Indonesia. It's called a mini cigarillos.
No, that didn't come in the box, ma'am.
What is the Surgeon General warning? Tobacco use increases the risk of infertility.
These corn nuts are good, though.
But how long has this crap been open? Are you seriously eating it?
Randy,
Oh, this lemonade.
tell her where you spit at so she didn't get those.
What?